So far we have seen how to create data, list data, detail that particular data, and also update that. Let's see how we can work with the delete data. Let's get back to our code, and I'm going to close all of this stuff. Okay, and let's go to notes, let's go to views.py, and then we're going to import something called as delete view. So let's save that. And right before this one, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new class. I'm going to call this as nodes delete view. Okay, that inherits from delete view, and the model which we want over here is nodes, and then we need the success URL. So if it is deleted, where it's supposed to go, it's supposed to go to the list app. Now let's go ahead and update the urls.py. So I'm going to get back over here, and right below this update, I'm just going to duplicate that one. I'm going to change the name to delete. Okay, and we're going to change this thing to nodes delete view. Save that, and we're going to name this as delete. I'll save that. Now if I simply just go ahead and delete that, it's not gonna be that good. So instead what we need is we need a confirm page. Let's add a confirm page for our delete. Let's create a new file in the templates called notes_delete.html. So I'm gonna get back over here, create a new file. I'm gonna call this as notes_delete.html. Okay, and basically it is going to extend base.html. It's going to load static, say block content, and then we need this one, and this is where we need to display that. Okay, so basically what I want here is a div.row. Okay, to change that to HTML again. Right, so div.row, so div.call md6, and I'm going to say justify content center. Okay, so inside this is what we're going to add in a form. So we're going to say form, and the action, I'm just going to leave it blank, and I'm going to set the method to post, and we need to specify the CSRF token. Okay, and after that we need to give a message. So the message which I want to give here is, are you sure you want to delete, and then I have to specify the note title. So I'm saying note dot title. Okay, so guess I'm giving the right name. Okay, then we can specify another paragraph and say this action can't be undone. Then we need to specify a button. So I'm going to say input type is submit. Then we're going to give a class. I'm going to call this as btn sm. Say btn danger. Okay, because that's warning message. So value, I'm going to call this as confirm. Okay, that's it. So now you can save this. Now we need to add that delete button to our notes detail page. Let's go to notes detail, and we have the edit, we have the back, and now we need a delete button. So I'm just going to duplicate this, and what we're going to do here is we're going to call this as delete. Okay, everything else is going to remain the same. This is going to be danger, and it's going to be delete. Save that. Okay, so now let's try it out. Let's get back to our browser here. Let's hit refresh. Click on view note, and you can see that we have delete option here. So let's hit on the delete button. If I click on delete, you can see that we have a error message which says that template does not exist. But this time we have a different name. It says notes confirm delete. The name what we gave here was notes delete. So you don't need to change the name of your document. So instead, what you can do is you can specify the template name. So here we can simply say template underscore name is equals to, that's notes underscore delete dot html. Okay, so let's save that. Let's get back here. Let's hit refresh. Now if I click on delete, it's going to ask me a question. Are you sure you want to delete? This action can be undone. So we need to align this to center. So let's get back to the notes delete over here. I'm just going to cut all of these items. Let's say div dot confirm message, and inside that I'm going to paste this. Okay, so we're going to call this as text center. Save that and hit refresh. Okay, that looks much better now. So if I hit confirm, that's going to delete that. Let's hit confirm, and my first app is deleted.